So, okay, so it means whatever today I'm going to demonstrate, you don't have an idea. Okay, fantastic. It is really good, for participants as well as the resource person too. So, why first and the most thing, why nowadays there is a, all research scholars or authors, they are behind this qualitative data. Because in terms of quantitative, analysis, we a lot of research have been done using regression and many more, the tools. But qualitative data is all about where we have unstructured information. And if we could use the right tool in software to analyze the data and disclose the information, explore something new, interesting for, to contribute society to practical and theoretical implementation, we can publish the papers. See, here you go. These are my 3 recent publications. All are in A category journals. Specifically in 2025, I published 2 research papers. You can see on the screen. My screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Fine, right? And 2024, I also, I have published in International Journal of Retail and Distribution Management, where I have only employed qualitative data. Okay, so today I will demonstrate you Voyant Tools. Have you ever heard about it? Any participant?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Anyone?
No, sir, no.
Fine.
No, sir.
Pardon?
No.
Okay. It's a fantastic tool. Why it is so? Because it is web-based software. No need to put your information, your email ID, your details, etc. It doesn't ask. It is very user-friendly. And most importantly, this tool is for analyzing textual reviews. And you can visualize your textual reviews, their relation between the words, frequency, in attractive or catchy way. And it has multiple analytical functions. So let's start without wasting a single minute. Please go to the Google and type Voyant Tools, as I am doing. All we are on the same page? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So see, as we do the Google, we find Voyant Tools, and here there are 3 ways to put our data. Okay. Open source. Open source means there is a automatic already, the feeded data we have here. Other, we can upload data, right, in various forms, in various, the format. And here we put the data. Okay. So for this, usually I don't use, I prefer to avoid, take the help of previous data. So for this purpose, I'm just sharing. Bhulana sir, do we have email IDs of all participants? Professor Bholanath. Okay, I don't think so. We have. Okay, I do one thing. I'm sharing a Google form with you, Google Sheet. Let me see. There you have to provide your data. Data means your review. Recently, we have witnessed about the Air India plane crash. Okay. See,
Shiv Ratan sir,
yeah,
can I take the privilege to request you for something?
please.
Sir, since it is a very short duration, 90 minutes and 2 days, so I would suggest you, please go monologue. You as a resource person from A to Z, you tell us how much is possible. You just show us, demonstrating yourself. And today also you do the same thing. At the end, if time permits, then we can do so many things, exchanging number, information. So we want to get maximum from you from these 2
Of
days.
course, of course, sir. Don't worry. I just request to all of you, definitely, because that's why I directly came on the software. It is my humble request. Just go to this link and just what comes in your mind about this plane crash. Just put your name and the review it.
Sir, it is asking for access, sir. So,
Okay.
so in the settings, sir, if you can change that, anyone can. So we can. Every time you have to give access to everyone. Whenever.
If otherwise, if I will show you, the preloaded data, you will not get the idea because you will not in the same. Okay. Just please wait. I just give the access.
Yes, sir.
Now you can do, I think so.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Please.
Okay.
It's my humble request. All of you, please, please review what comes in your mind about this crash, right? So the research will be fruitful. Even you can write a case or the paper on it with that take the help of large data.
Sir, I think it's not allowing us to edit on that sheet. Just
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We
The
cannot
issue
do
is
this.
that, view only sheets, sir.
yeah,
Screen
edit
time.
access I think has to be given.
But I have opened for it public.
I think that viewer can be made as
No,
editors.
it is only view only file.
Yeah, if it's editor, we can edit it.
Okay. Editor. Got it, madam. Yes, it is done, madam.
Okay. Yes, sir. Now it is.
Yeah. What comes in your mind, please fill it, because we have seen this incident, observed this incident from many days. So of course you emotions, your viewpoint. Then the same data we will analyze. 3 Voyant Tools. And please don't overlap the information provided by others. I request, to write at least, the 4 to 5 sentences. I request once again all of you to please, put the information, review about this Air India plane crash, whatever comes in your mind. So it will be a like.
Sir, I'm not able to write there. I don't know why.
No, but people are writing. I have seen.
Yeah, I have seen them, but I'm not able to. I'm trying.
Okay, whatever. See, do one thing. Whatever comes in your mind, write in the the word form, because this data we will use for analysis.
Yeah.
Close the form and open a fresh form again. I think then will be able to write.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I do, sir.
I posted my review, but it is missing. It is not visible now.
Maybe someone else, overlapped it. Now it's fine. Now I opened once again.
Sir, you do it with some readily available database.
Okay, fine, sir. If I don't get it in a minute or one, so definitely I will,
Already we lost 30 minutes time, sir.
Of course, sir. I understand.
Or actually, this should have been pre-circulated as a preparatory activity by the participants. So we could have.
Okay, no issue, sir. We move.
I
move.
could have
No.
make it ready, and then you can just
No,
start.
it was the part of this workshop, but no issue. I just wanted to give the flavor to the research scholar to how we collect the data, and all. It's okay, no issue. So what I do, okay, I move ahead because we are facing challenges to collect this data. No issue. So
this data.
So those they have joined late, or who couldn't understand, today I'm demonstrating these Voyant tools for qualitative data analysis. Okay, so here if you have a data, you can type here, you can copy paste here, or you can upload from your depository. Or there we also have some data for demonstration provided by this tool. We will use it. Okay, I request all of you to use the same file in your system. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Indrajit sir, are you using the same?
Sir, you please show my full screen, because we have opened the Google Sheet, no? It is okay. Okay. Yes, it is okay.
No, are you using the same data?
Yes.
Good. or others? See, it is important to use the same data set.
Sir, actually, I'm not getting it, sir.
Arundhati,
Yes, yes. I have to do, sir?
today I'm going to demonstrate Voyant Tools for qualitative data analysis.
Well,
Please.
that I got it, sir. Yes, yes, sir. Now what I have to do now, sir?
Can you see the same page on your screen?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Also, please wait. See, all of you, any difficulty to open it? All of you, is there any problem? If
No,
you
sir.
are fine. Okay, see. Own data. See, please don't use your own data. Later you can use, because you know it will be time taking and it will waste others' time. Please understand. That's why I recommended use the same data. So we will on the same page. Okay. Which data file? See, the one, I think, first data file. The first data file recommended by the software. Okay, anyways, I move ahead. See, look at the best feature of this tool. Without any command, without any coding, you can
Sir, sorry for cutting you. Can you please show me again how to select this data?
go to the Google, type Voyant Tools,
Yes,
Open
done.
open
Then
it. I think the first file.
where it is? I have opened that Voyant see through your text, and then I see that
Look
add
at the
text.
open. Look at the open.
Open, yeah.
There is an
Yes.
open tab. Send it
Then
will. There are files you will find. The first file, I think you should choose.
may I know the file name?
I forgot it. Just choose the first file.
I think it's
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare. Yeah, Shakespeare.
Okay. Got
Because
it.
I'm seeing you and this page, so I can't see.
Okay, fine. Thanks, sir.
Fine.
Thank you.
Okay. So what I was telling, see, without any coding, look at the beauty of this Voyant Tools, and many researcher professors, they don't know the utilize, the employing this tool for research and many purposes. I didn't click anything, and you can see the word cloud analysis. It is called Cyrus, in this website. And here what we can do, if you click on it, the make or some the words which are in bold letter. I hope you all know word cloud analysis, the letters which they are in bold letters means have been used profusely. Okay, here what you can do, you can here also edit this. See, look at this. Stop words. Just here you can edit this. How you can edit this? Go to the edit list, and here suppose you find shall is a the stop word. There is no use of it. Make is a stop word. Just save it and confirm. Look at this. You can easily remove these words from. That's why I don't want to use this file, because it is a different way. So if we use our data, so it is best. Anyways, okay. So I think it's clear. It's clear to all.
Not
Because
clear, sir. What we are doing here?
we are making the word cloud analysis, sir.
Yeah, so that where from you fetch or harvest that word? What is the purpose? Why
Purpose,
that particular
see,
is
in the long,
why that
file,
particular word is selected?
see, in long, the big data, when we have the long files, large text reviews, so easily we can see what our study, where it is revolving around. So this is the first step. Most of the researchers nowadays, they are using this word cloud analysis. So we will get the idea. Our research is around these, or our participants reviewer, they are talking about.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. So now importantly, how you can take it. Okay, how you can download it. Okay, just look at this. Go to the export button and export it in PNG image. You can export. Okay, here what you have to do, just click it on the world cloud, do the right click, and you can save it. Okay, please save in your system. Fine. Now
Right.
I come to the second, the function of it. Look at this terms. Click on these terms. Okay, I take it in, this view in different location, next page too. So it will clear to all of you. Can you see it? So you can't see. Okay, let me stop it. See, look at this. How it came. Voyant Tools. Go to the terms. If here you click, you will get what are the terms have been used, frequently, like a lord, king, sir. It has, these have been used, with, we have the number of counts. Okay, 33, 446 and all. Okay, so for your, easiness, you can export in different page. Please do it. Okay, so this is the another table you can use in your research. Okay, the number of, because if you will see the news nowadays, you will find even these news anchors, news agencies, ABP News, Ask Tak, what they are doing, they are highlighting how many times Trump is, highlighting the things while addressing people. Yesterday, I have seen, the Iran, about, he was talking about the Iran, and the 6 times, 10 times he emphasized on particular word. So you will get the idea. Okay, it's clear. Shall I proceed? Shall I proceed? Fine. Right. So you can also export this table. Easily you can export this table from here and you can use in your research. Now, see what else you can do here. Look at this trends. This is the graphical representation. Okay. Here you can take, this, take the help of these trends for your research purpose. Suppose if it is related to HR or marketing research, and these are essential words, what happens, this tools, categorize these text reviews in different segments, divides into 10, 5 accordingly, right? Here, this file has been divided, in terms of time, if you will see, or events. So you will get the idea. Okay, better to go make it large. Yeah. See, look at this. This is the term sir, right? But what is important for us to look at what things, what words are going, together, starting from first segment to last segment. Maybe customers, they are talking about 3 things, 4 things, 5 things together. And if you want to remove, suppose this event is, just by chance, you can remove it, just click it and it will be removed. Same here, king, right? It can be removed. So what does it mean? There is a, the 2, 3 things like a sir and here, good things. These terms have been heavily used by participants, reviewers in the study context. Is it clear? Is it clear to all? Any question? Any question? Okay, fine. So now see, but we are not getting clear idea. We got it. People are talking about these terms, but how these terms are related to each other? How we can make our own narrative? See, so we also have one option, links. Look at it. See, that's the problem, with the uploaded data. So, but look at this network analysis. If we talk about if I click on the good is not at all directly related to anyone. Suppose here, if this study is related to marketing, services, HR, finance, so we will be eager to know what is good in our services. So easily we can identify with the help of this network analysis. Okay, sir is related to 4, the people, John, Andrew, Welch, and Toby. So, the 4, what does it mean? Here, please try to understand earlier methods, word cloud, or, the term frequency. They are just giving the idea. These terms have been frequently used in the context, but how these are related to each other. So you will get the idea from this network analysis, and you can export it in another page, and you can get it, and you can play with it.
So what is the significance of that blue and orange color?
Right question you have asked, madam. See, blue and orange. Blue color is the main variables, and these orange colors are observed or supporting variables to these main variables. Because while observing word clouds analysis and frequency, the table, we are not able to understand the relationship between these variables. But here, easily we can see the sir is related to John and Tabby. What does it mean? Tabby is not directly related to Lord or King. So you can here develop your own narrative. Suppose these are the 3 main variables, and how these variables are supported or related to the other variables. I hope, madam, I'm clear to you and others.
Yes, sir.
It is called network analysis, madam. Okay, so network analysis, basically what we do, there are nodes, and we, try to connect these nodes and make the narratives, how they are connected to each other. Okay. Is it clear to all? If you have a question, please ask, because see, I can demonstrate you how you can use this tool, but it is up to an individual how you use and interpret your findings. Because until you make your story, your research paper in interesting way, we cannot publish. Please understand.
Sir, I have a request. Is it possible for you to like use some kind of data which from one of your published papers and also share that paper so that we have a
Actually,
get
sir,
a
that is why I want see
yeah,
if
because
you
we
take
can
the
get a
large data, sir, because these
decent
workshops,
understanding.
sir, these workshop is not for the 90 minutes, but I am just want to give you the flavor. If we take because I have worked on the large data, if we use it, you cannot get the idea. So that's why I wanted to collect some data and work on it. So I understand the problem maybe you are facing, but sir, believe me, the same, because you will get the recording of this the session, the same way what I am explaining, you can utilize it. Okay, because it is a large data, so it will take a lot of time because it is a software. So when the data is large, so it will take time. So I cannot demonstrate the 90.
So can I ask you a question? Yeah, yes, sir. So we have written those about the incidents, the statements. Can we feed that data into this system, sir? Whatever we have written, the 4, 6, 7
But
points.
we will not get the the good find. Let's see. Okay, if you say so, I try. No issue.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. No issue.
Thank you, sir.
Fine. Because ultimately this show is for you. Okay. Yeah, I hope you can see it.
Yes.
Fantastic. See, look at this. Loss, plane, people, around 10 people, they have participated in this survey and they explain, the crash, loss, these are the things, right? The terms we can see here. The crash is used 5 times, plane
Sir,
is 4 times.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah,
can you please clarify one thing?
please.
Please go to that Google Sheet. He opened just now. Yes. So whenever you was there, the particular class crash, that word is used 5 times by a single respondent or by all the respondents.
Sir, maybe, because this is a very small data set. So
No, it's okay. But I'm asking the count. Is it the count is meant that whether it means that this particular word is used by a participant, by all the participants?
see, that's why, sir, these tools we use to take care of large data set. So this question, doesn't exist. If one people is using or multiple people is using. Here, you can solve multiple files. Multiple, believe me. You can take 1 lakh, reviews. So this question doesn't exist actually. But here the data set is very small. So maybe, it is used by the one participants or many participants. But when we analyze large data set, so you can understand, this question is totally irrelevant. I hope, sir, I answered your question.
Right, because a few things are not getting clarified, sir.
Sir, but you can use the same things.
No, the old one, the old file which you were showing us in between. So, for example, one particular word appearing 2,578 times. What does it mean?
See, it means, I already told you, sir, this is the initial investigation. We will get the idea because it is for content analysis using traditional way. It is not possible for anyone to analyze this data. So at least this is the first, glance, you will get the idea. Okay, these are the 20, 30 words have been used, frequently. So our study is surrounding these words. So
no, sir, I'm understanding. It is sorry to intervene. uh, does it mean that you are analyzing the script of one person, or it is that we have uploaded scripts of 50 respondents and then doing the analysis, or uploading one particular script and then checking how many
No,
times
sir.
a particular word is used?
No, sir. This is for big data. For big data analysis, we use these, the
Big data analysis means here there are multiple people talking on the subject.
Of
Am I
course.
right?
Of
Am I
course.
right?
Of
Okay.
course.
Okay.
Shall I proceed, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So the participant, requested for this, so I use this, so that's why this is a very, very small data set. So maybe, okay, anyways. So is it clear to all? So the same thing I'm telling you, the world cloud analysis you can generate, then terms frequency, it will give you the idea. See, look at, I'm not using any coding, nothing. I have just click and there is a ready-made data. You will not find this information. Yeah, Anunati. Yeah, please.
No, I got it, sir, because crash is, it's 5 times it has been used. Yes, sir. Now I got it.
So you can use this. Okay, anyway. Fine. So, okay. So this is the, the trend I told you. You can also, use. Now, let me show some interesting things, right? See, we also have an option collocates here. Just please, just click on it. Okay.
Collocates. Achha.
Yeah. Collocates is nothing but it demonstrates the relationship with words.
Okay.
See, look at this. Crash and technical has, have been used twice. So what does it mean? See, I am telling you things step by step. There is a letter. I repeat once again, focus on your narrative. Qualitative analysis is nothing but make your story interesting. See, believe me, in 2022, I scrapped 1,25,000 bank customers reviews and analyze it and publish in the International Journal of Bank Marketing. So here, of course, your skills are, important to how you demonstrate, how you visualize, how you make the narratives. Okay. So that is why this tool is fantastic. Why? Because step by step, you will get here. Okay. Suppose we are using, the lex of data. So 20, 30 words we have recognized. Okay. These are the words, evolving, our studies around these words. Then we don't have a clue how they are related. Now look at it. People are talking crash and technical, crash and reason. They want to know crash and the issue. Okay. So because again, I would say the data is very less, so we will not get the idea. Otherwise, suppose crash and technical, 500 people they are talking, 1,000 people they are talking.
Yes.
It means there is something. There is some new insights.
There is a pattern. There is a pattern. Sir?
There is a pattern, of course.
Yes,
there is
right.
There is something, right? So that's why this tool is fantastic to know. Just it is click away to you. Okay, so collocates is nothing but it shows the relationship between two terms. Any question? Any doubt?
No, fine, sir. Now it is going clear.
Fine, sir. Okay. So see the the same. Okay, we can also do one thing here. I can select one word like a crash, and I can I can see. Suppose the crash. See, look at this table. Cyrus World Cloud term table. Crash is our topmost. The word. It means there is something about the crash people want to know, or something is interesting. So here I can fix this crash and can check collocate words with crash. So Ahmedabad died flying, heart reaching, irregular, maintenance. See, these are the things which are related. These are the words which are mostly related to this crash. Okay. Once again, the count is very less because because the data is less. Okay. But when there is a big data, you can imagine, there could be some interesting findings, and you can, make it in your paper. Any question?
Sir, bubble lines means the top right corner, that is bubble graph.
Yeah, I will show you. Is it clear? The colloquials is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Here we can also do one thing, ascending and descending order we can arrange. Okay. So technical, here the term technical is fixed now. Technical is related to plane. Most of the people they have used, right? So you can fix this. Okay. So here we have a facility, and if you want to export this, go to this, view it, right, in another page, and you can, download this, and you can use this table as it is formed in your research paper. Okay. So it will increase the reliability of your findings. Fine.
Right.
Okay. Now bubble lines. Sir was asking about the bubble line. What is it? See. Right now it is not showing. Otherwise we get the, here the visuals of particular words, and bubble lines, it is for how words are closely related to each other. It is a visual presentation of the terms.
Right.
Okay. Bubble line. Now, right now it is not showing because, I don't know. Later we will check. Okay. So we will get it. Okay. One more thing is context. Okay. I think before to context, we should see another thing, term frequency. Yeah. We also have an option to see the word tree. Okay. What is this word tree? Let's see. When we go to visualization tools, here we have many options. One important option is word tree. Yeah, please click on it, word tree. See, look at this. Crash. Here, because I selected this word crash, and the crash is target term over here, and it is showing before and after use, frequently used prefix and suffix. See, massive crash could show, because once again the problem is the data is very small data side. Otherwise you will get the idea how 20,000 people, 10,000 people, 1,000 people, 1 lakh people, what they are talking frequently when they consider the term crash, because crash is the topmost word in our study. Okay, so you will get the idea what is in customer's mind, what is in our reviewers' mind, and you can make many words, tree. For plane, we can, see, look at here. There is an option we have. Now I have a word tree of with the word plane. I request all participants, please hands-on, please practice. And if you face any difficulty, please ask. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Please proceed.
Okay, so you can, make the world, this world tree of, the mostly people what they do, the mostly frequently used words they use, right? Because initial stage, observing the word cloud, link, we don't have an idea. But here you can link, right? You can make the narratives. Okay. Now we also have one option while using this visualization tools, terms ready. See, look at this. Here, once again, what happens? This software divide the entire data in segments. Here it usually it divides in 5 segments. Here, how people they are talking about crash and the loss. So it's going hand to hand, right? Plane, Ahmedabad. Okay, let me take it in another window. So things will be clear. Okay, look at this. So, and you will find it, the one, how people, what people they are not talking and what they are talking, how it is related. Okay. See, look at this died, loss. They obviously, these are on the same page where it happens, when this incident happens. Imagine if you utilize this tool in your research area, HR, marketing, finance, the operations, anywhere. You will get the fantastic findings. Most importantly, these findings, these results will not be biased, because when we use survey instrument, mostly there is a biasness, collecting data based on the random basis, the sampling, or sometimes it is predefined in researcher mind, the questions, and they ask the same. Or the new researcher, new PhD scholars, what they do, they follow the previous studies and they said the same questions, just define and redefine it. But here you will definitely get the new insights. What our reviewers, participants, they have talked. Any question about it? About this tool? Otherwise, I will proceed.
Yes, sir. Proceed, sir.
Fine. See, we also have a correlation option here. Though correlation, is very easy. Look at this. Just go to this option and we have correlations. So we can see how these terms are correlated to each other with the estimates and whether they are significant or not.
So where did you get that correlation?
Okay, I'll show you once again, madam. No issue. See, already. See, go to this, madam. Click to choose another tool. Okay. And as you click on here, you will find it. Because it is now in my screen, so it will not come.
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam. So export it in another page for the more clarity. See, look at this. It will also show you whether it is significant or not. Imagine without using any, the coding, nothing. Just it is available on one click. See, died and people are highly correlated, and incident, innocent, and many. Here you can also, sort it in descending and ascending order. You also have an option. Look at this. Otherwise, it is too difficult to manage, to calculate correlation estimate among variables.
So some words are in red, some are in green. What is that?
They are not significant. Those are not significant, madam. They are in red.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, look at the significant value, madam. That's why I'm saying, madam, it's not easy. Even, we are not allowed to calculate correlation, among multiple variable in Excel. But here, look at this. It is easily available, and you can use this information, this table.
It's very useful.
I'm sure nobody will question, about the reliability of the data. Because you have evidence, without any manipulation. Someone is telling something.
Yes, sir. It is very useful. I'm saying, sir, but getting this table, sir, it is very useful, I would say. Very much useful, sir. Because if I manually start doing getting correlation of each the variables is a huge tedious task, sir.
Exactly. See, that's why just Sir Indrajit sir said, your time should be utilized, the maximum. So I assure him and others, don't worry, sir. The tools which I am demonstrating today, see, look at this. I already demonstrate 5-6 functions.
Yes, sir. True.
And it is very tedious job. As rightly you said, Miss Sayantani, it is very tedious job. But here,
we click away. It's a just click away. Huh?
Yes, multiple variables. We can see how much they are correlated with each other. With not only with their correlation estimate, but significance.
Level also.
We can use this in our.
Do we generate themes from these things?
Pardon, madam?
This thematic, when we say we are generating themes from these, whatever observations we make, right? Like, is it like that? Thematic analysis, when we say in qualitative?
This is correlation, madam. Thematic is different.
Okay.
Thematic, what happens? We see, coding and all, we make the groups, right here. But we can focus on the, the top correlated things.
Okay.
Right? And we can show, entire table we can use in our study, how things are, and that's as I said here, we can also sort them ascending and descending order. Okay, so what does it mean? It means it will help you to make your narrative. See, dead and people, incident and innocent. So there is a clear idea. People were talking, this happened, and innocent people, they died in this incident. And the question is why? Okay, so maybe you have a different perspective, and you accordingly you can make your picture, make your narrative. And here I can prove. Okay, if you look at this, this is these terms are highly correlated and they are significant. See, technical issues, incident, these are also significant too. Any other question? I believe all
So
you are
to sort it ascending, you just right clicked on that, sir. Ascending.
Yeah, actually the step, you see, look at this, madam. There is a, the down arrow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. All right, sir.
So we have these options, madam.
Sir, I have a question. Suppose there is a question between agreement between employer and worker, and I have suppose.
Give me a minute. I just stop the fan. Yeah, Arundhati ji.
Yes, sir. Yeah, if there is a question of agreement, is there any agreement between employer and worker? If the question is like that, and suppose my sample size is 500 and 500 employee workers view is no, there is no such agreement. Same respond I have got. Then what will happen, sir, in this case?
How can I tell you, dear? Because
No, because
here you are taking the specific case. The
Okay.
thing is, things are clear in your mind. And here I'm telling you to analyze the big data, big qualitative data specifically, because it is not at all easy. See, if you will see my profile, I have published many papers based on this qualitative data. Even earlier, I did content analysis manually. See, as you are saying, 500 data size you can, manually you can handle. But here we are talking about large data. Okay, so there are two important things. First, it increases the reliability of your data and it helps to generalize your findings. Okay, that's why I said these findings, studies are not at all biased somewhere, because most of the people, what they feel, what they see, what they have an opinion, these are the patterns. Okay, so
Okay,
you
sir.
are
Okay,
asking
sir.
a specific question, so it is difficult to answer, Arundhati ji.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Dr. Shiv sir, you are very right. So when you have limited number of sample, you manipulate.
Yes.
So trustworthiness is questioned always.
Yes, sir.
The researcher can manipulate as per their plan and mindset.
Very true, sir.
But here you do not know. You are
Yes.
dipping into the sea of data, and you
Exactly.
cannot, even if you try, you cannot manipulate.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
that is the beauty of this analysis.
Exactly.
Yes.
And that's why, I have come up with this idea and this tool to demonstrate, as the sir told me, Professor Bholanath, ki there will be, the research scholar and many people. So please utilize this tool, because this
Right.
tool has not been utilized extensively in the past literature.
Hmm.
And now I show you another tool, another function. Any question? Though it is important to the answer the questions.
No, sir, you proceed, because we have only another 15 minutes maximum.
Oh, no issue, sir. Okay. See, now suppose I made a paper. I wrote a paper based on these findings, but there is something most interesting which can help a lot to support my findings, and this option is context. Where is the context?
Yes.
Where it has gone? Bubble line is still, it is not the ready. I will show you. Okay, I do one thing. I take the large data set and then you will get it. Now I hope things are clear to you. Can I take this liberty to take the large data set?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you will
Yes.
get you will get the bubble line and everything, right? Please also open, the first, the Shakespeare, the place in your screen. So we will be on the same page. Okay. Yeah. Bubble lines. Let me show whether it's a bubble line. And there are a lot of, there are a lot of functions we have. Not only this, what I'm, demonstrating you. See, look at this context. Okay. Look at this context. What does it mean? See, context mean, here I selected this term shell, and it will show me before and after used phrases, sentence by audience or reviewers. So here what I can do, I can arrange in descending order, suppose. So I will get the idea and I can support my findings. See, whatever narrative I have prepared, see, look at this. Top reviewers, top participants, they are talking about it. Mine own, whom ourselves shall set out for pre-proof fall. Okay, are you getting what I'm saying? This context option will help two ways. First and most, you can see frequently used sentence right before and after your target term. And when you arrange it in descending order, you will get the idea what people they are also talking rarely. Take an example. In the context of stockbroking services, everything is fine and fantastic. But practitioner, they will not be happy. Contribute, they would be interested, industry would be interested to know what customers are not, liking in our services, in our product. Just tell us so we can improve it. So this context option can help you in two ways. First, it will demonstrate what people are liking. If the shell term is frequently used, so what is before and after it? It will give you the idea, and it will, back your findings. And if you arrange it in ascending order, it will also give the idea what people are talking. I hope I'm clear to all. Am I clear to all?
What is frequently spoken or what is spoken maximum?
See,
isn't it?
Yeah, sir. Because,
Yeah.
sir, in large data set, it is not possible for researcher to take, to highlight the frequently used sentences or phrases.
Very difficult, yes.
But this tool easily highlights.
Mane, sir, ascending order means the word or sentences spoken most will go up.
No, descending. No, sir. Descending order, what people are talking most.
Yeah.
Suppose, I suppose, take example, I love your services, you are fantastic. Mostly people, they are, they have highlighted this. It's fine.
Right.
Industry, but the practitioner firms, they would not be interested to know this. They would, so they would be interested to know, okay, no issue. If you have taken the data of 1,000 people of our customer, and your research is claiming 90%, means 900 people, they are praising our services, our firm, it's fine. But tell me what 100 people are not liking, so we can improve. So here you can do, if you arrange it, right way, right and left way, both, in ascending order, so you will find it. People will not liking, maybe your user interface, the app, your particular staff, timing, brokerage, and many more. So that is why this tool is important in two ways. And not only it is a just simple function, it will support your narrative. See, if I'm saying crash is related to technicality of a plane, how would you trust me and my findings? So here we have a entire sentence. Look at, we can take it in, another, export it in another page. So look at this, and we can use this table in our study. Maybe 20 top 20, top 30 sentence phrases you can download, and you can back your study findings.
Sir, can I have a question, sir?
Please.
Okay. So, sir, this tool is basically, it is doing a text analysis, sir, right?
Of course.
It's not is it a kind of content analysis or sentiment or thematic? Means these are part of qualitative, sir. So I just try to understand the nuances of it, sir.
See, it is of course related to, the content analysis, because content analysis is a broad term.
Okay.
In content analysis, what we do, we analyze the qualitative data. And what is this qualitative data? It is textual data.
Textual data. Yes, sir.
Of course, of course.
Huh.
So, right, see, I'm demonstrating you the tool where you are not using any code, you are not, using any the mathematics, nothing.
Yes.
And all these we are analyzing purely qualitatively, or we can say organic qualitative analysis.
Yes, sir. And so,
So-
to some extent, sir, this data, like the word cloud, the based on our responses, the word cloud, it is showing, sir, crash in red, Ahmedabad, and positive and negative, what we can choose, sir, based on our requirement.
Sayati, don't worry. We have this workshop for 2 days. I will also show you, how we can extract positive and negative sentiments with different tools.
Okay.
Because look at the title of the workshop.
Yes, sir.
Qualitative data analysis using a zero coding platform. So don't worry.
Correct,
Right?
correct.
So I
Thank
will keep it in mind, and definitely I will address your question in
Thank
future.
you.
Yeah. So so far, but what I'm saying, please understand. See, most of the tools where it is not easy, but here in a one click, and you will get the the analysis, and people will rely on your information. Why? Because this information has been extracted from the reviews, the repository. Okay. Anyways, other participants, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Others, those they have not participated, or maybe please ask the questions, because definitely you can use this tool in your research. Even the PhD nowadays, people are focusing more on qualitative data analysis.
Sir, is it possible to load multiple files or, for example, and then pull out information out of that?
Sir, yes, it is possible. You can, but you have to arrange your multiple file, or you have to consolidate your file.
Sir, can it analyze data set in Excel sheet?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay,
Sir, here is the option. Look at this.
Right. Yes.
So I go once again and I show you. So actually we can approve, but sir, what happens when we have a data in Excel form? So the name of the participants, his or her age is not, relevant. See, when we analyze the data, we should focus on the content, and usually the same thing we do in our research. So keep aside all this information, otherwise it will come again and again. Suppose many people
in the beginning, what you asked, that was very much interesting. You create a Google sheet and you write your name and your review comment.
Exactly.
So comment means I asked a question to the interviewers, to the participants during interview, and the response of the participant against the question I am writing there as an opinion or answer to the question.
Yes,
so
sir.
This way, if I have 30 or 40 respondents, one question, I can put in Excel sheet the name of the respondents, and this side the answer to the question.
Yes,
and
sir.
that I can analyze, no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's why, see, we should definitely collect the demographic information of our participants.
Right.
So what we can do, we can have a descriptive analysis, or the demographic information of the participants.
Right.
Even nowadays what is happening, not only people are using this secondary data, they are also using primary data.
Yes.
Any researcher, they are moving forward with this the Google form sheet, and they are asking detailed information.
Yes.
That's why I said the predefined questionnaire and all, there are some biasness, because questions, sometimes it happens after analyzing the data set. Someone has one participant has suggested very good thing, and unfortunately it was not in our questionnaire. So better to ask, give the time and ask their opinion.
Open question.
Yes, freely.
Freely.
Explain yourself. So
Yes, yes.
that's why I have given this, the example too. Look at this news channels, what they are doing. They are analyzing when Donald Trump or Prime Minister Modi, when they speak about on a particular topic. So how many times they are emphasizing on one term. So they make the narratives. And that's why it is very interesting. Okay, bubble line, one more thing. Don't know why this is. See, because this is web-based, the software, so sometimes things will not come. Bubble line we also have here, earlier, and it is very fantastic. Let me see. Bubble line. Yeah, this is bubble line. We have this. See, look at this. Bubble line means what? See, these are suppose different variables or terms, right? And easily we can identify these three terms: sir, shall, and
Sir, sorry. What is this number? What does this number indicate? 1590,
This
1590.
is actually this is in the data set cell. Actually, we have to make the bubble line of the frequently used words. These are
Right.
the file names. These are the file names, sir. Actually, if I stop it here, because there is a option, you can see meet Google email, stop sharing. If I stop sharing here, so I can't show you. So
Right.
but I think you have this, the option. Go on it and just choose the words like this. We have in this box, na, sir. So here it is loading to choose the word. Okay, if I choose here, so it happens or not. Oh, objective transaction. So you choose, sir. So you will you will get the bubble line of your chosen words.
So please interpret one line here. Let us understand.
No issue. Yeah, sir. Why not? See, these bubble lines shows the sort of correlation or correlates to each other. So again, it will support your narratives findings. See, if the sir is frequently used, why the word shall? So it means there is something, because throughout the documents, throughout the textual data, people have used it. And suppose this is the king, green one, people have rarely used. So it means it is not most important. So practitioners, the industry should focus on these terms. So we can make different narratives, and we can demonstrate narratives with the help of these bubble lines.
Yes.
And most importantly, don't forget to use the context, because because here these are the only terms. See, like, love, affection, family, wife. What does it mean? How they are related? But when there is a entire sentence or some phrases, you can support your findings. Out of 10,000 data, look at 100 people, they said, I like your company, I like your product, I like your brand, I like your services. It means there is something here. And if 500 people out of 10,000, they are saying there is a problem in your staff behavior, it means you should consider it, because entire line is showing out of 10,000 people, they have used this sentence. Yeah.
So is there any meaning here of colors and the bubble line?
Call it, sir. I have already, call it,
Right.
I have already described.
Right, but whenever you show the bubble line, it represents different colors.
Yeah.
So does it have
No, it's just options. If I click on the collets, so here you can clock one word, means target word, or like a lot. I have the lock lines. I can see the relationship or the link with lot to other terms.
Right. Okay.
But what I'm saying, sir, if you are saying that there is a relationship between plan and crash or technicality, how I can believe? But when there is an entire sentence, suppose entire country, we have collected the data of 10,000 people and 1,000 people, there is a count and they are saying if there is a technical problem in your plane. So even there is no problem. Recently, Air India also cleared there was no technical problem in our plane. But they have to understand, even you are claiming there was no technical problem, but it is in mind of the customers. It is in the Indians. They are thinking there was a technical problem in your plane and it crashed.
Right.
Okay, sir, I have one question. So how
Please.
do we get that finding and conclusion?
See, here, it is up to on your intelligence, how you make the narrative and how you use, these. Because as I said, I can demonstrate you the tool, the functions, but ultimately you have to use it. You have to play with it. Okay. So these are, I demonstrated you different, the functions and how it can help to each other. So it is up to you, dear, how you use it. I will request you first and the most, play with this tool, software, and with different functions. And you will definitely get the idea. Collect your data or use some pertinent data, the freely data available nowadays about, the Amazon customers and many more. Then repeat it. Then you will get the idea, okay, how it is related to each other. I can make, different story over here. Then
Okay, that understand. But can we get that final analysis at least, like in paragraph or in any Word documents?
I didn't get you, dear.
मतलब एक फाइनल एनालिसिस तो मिल सकता है क्या इस इस एप्लीकेशन से, इस टूल से? If I upload my data and analyze, and so can I get the final
interpretation? You have to prepare, dear. How it can be?
Okay.
Please understand how it can be. So you have to interpret, because these are the same with using the quantitative research. We use logit, regression, conjoint analysis, MDS, but we have to interpret. Pardon, sir?
No, ठीक है, sir. Oh, that is not.
Sir, are there other platforms except this one for qualitative analysis like Voyant Tools?
Sir, can you come again? You are not clear to me.
Sir, my name is Rishabh Kumar, and I want to ask that are there other tools and platform for data analysis, just like Voyant Tools and other?
Of course, there are many. Don't worry, I will demonstrate you tomorrow. I will come with the new tool.
Sir, we can do the video analysis also in this Voyant Tools.
Dr. Farah, madam?
Yes, sir.
Oh, nice.
Yes,
yes,
sir,
madam.
we can do the video analysis also. You'll be showing tomorrow or
radio? Term radio?
Video.
No, video analysis, we can't do this.
With this, there are other tools to do that.
Of course.
And sir, you'll be showing some paper where we can, how to actually, I'm new to this text analysis, but I have done the qualitative analysis. So there is a way to show reliability, validity, how to report the data, like any of your research articles where you have used this tool, how to present the data and the findings.
Better to do one thing, madam.
Yes,
see, analyze the data through these tools and take the help of some expert, 2 or 3 experts, give some random data to them and just brief about your study and just request them to analyze the data and just match the findings. if they're coding findings around, the 70 to 90% with your studies, so automatically, you can support this. And I have done the same in my previous studies, madam.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So, Professor Bholanath, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, sir, I can hear you. We all can hear you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for the wonderful, and this was a very good interaction also. And some of the participants, as Dr. Goswami sir said, we know each other for a long time. On the similar line, I think there is Rishabh also, and Arundhati ma'am, and some of the participants who had participated in the past in our programs. And nice to have you all for this wonderful workshop. And as I said, that he will come with some more tools tomorrow. So we are looking forward for that. And thank you all for your cooperation. Thank you, sir. So
Thank you,
can
sir.
please conclude the session. Sir, please kindly conclude. Then we'll again.
It is done.
tomorrow.
It is done from my side. I demonstrated all about this Voyant tools, the main functions, and there are many participants. What they can do, they can hands-on by themselves, because it is freely. Most importantly, it is freely available and web-based too.
Right, sir. So thank you so much once again, and thank you, Dr. Shiv Ratan Agrawal. Thank you, Dr. Goswami sir, and other participants. Good night, and see you tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good night, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Right.
Thank you, sir.